If you've ever felt perpetually behind on your finances, or you used to go to the gym, but now you just have an expensive membership and a collection of guilt, or you keep saying you'll travel next year when things calm down, congrats, you're a functioning adult. Welcome to the club. Snacks are disappointing. I used to overcomplicate everything. I'd build these elaborate plans, get hyped for about 3 days, then spectacularly collapse like a souffle in a thunderstorm. So I built something stupidly simple instead. And shockingly, it actually works. I'm Daniel, and this is Stocks, Squats, and Suitcases. The concept: 3 buckets, 1 life. Your money, your body, and your experiences don't have to be in a cage match for your attention. They can actually, and bear with me here, help each other. Wild, I know. Let me explain. Stocks, and no, I'm not teaching you day trading. Day trading is just gambling with extra steps in a Bloomberg terminal. This is about boring, long-term, sleep well at night investing, index funds, compound interest. Letting your money do the heavy lifting while you do literally anything more interesting. We'll cover simple contributions, clear goals, and how to avoid the financial disasters that make for great Reddit stories, but terrible retirement plans. Goal: make your money work hard enough that eventually you don't have to. Revolutionary stuff? Squats. Yes, actual squats. Also a metaphor for not letting your body completely disintegrate while you're busy being responsible. Training is non-negotiable, but it doesn't need to be perfect or Instagram-worthy. We'll talk strength, consistency, and workouts that work whether you've got a full gym, hotel room with a suspicious stain, or just your body. An existential dread, because what's the point of financial independence if you're too broken down to enjoy it? I want to be rich and able to bend over to pick things up. The bar is low, but it's there. Suitcases. Because your life is not your LinkedIn bio. You're not here to optimize spreadsheets until you die. Travel shouldn't equal financial ruin or fitness backsliding. It definitely shouldn't be this mythical thing you postpone until someday, when you magically have unlimited time and money. Spoiler, that day doesn't exist. I checked. We'll cover slow travel, budget hacking, remote work, and how to design a life where seeing weird, beautiful parts of the world isn't something that only happens to trust fund kids and influencers. The world is strange and massive and occasionally deeply ridiculous. You should see some of it before your knees give out. Here's what you'll get: investing breakdowns without the hype or cult vibes. Training plans you can actually follow when you're tired and unmotivated. Travel strategies built on real budgets, not fantasy math. Honest updates, the wins, the disasters, the well that was stupid moments. This isn't a highlight reel. I'm documenting the real journey, complete with mistakes and course corrections. If you want practical advice without the toxic positivity, you're home. If that sounds good, subscribe. Seriously, it helps. And comment: stocks, squats, or suitcases, which one are you struggling with most right now? Next video, my exact weekly system for balancing all 3. Simple, replicable, works even when life gets messy. Let's build something sustainable. See you next time.